Hi, my name's Maggie and I'm going to teach you how to make gluten-free, vegan, healthy pancakes. So I'm washing my hands now. I'll show you a good technique. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So we've got apple cider vinegar, 1.5 cups of oats. We're going to have a tablespoon of honey.
Yum!
1 tablespoon of honey. 1 cup of oat milk or almond milk if you don't have oat milk. Either one's fine. So we're going to have a quarter of 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. So first we get our bowl. It doesn't have to be this big, it can be medium. So we get our bowl, put it over there, get our oats. You see this? This, we're going to blend it up. Don't touch the blades. So you pour it in to here. Don't worry if you make a mess. Bit like this. There we are, our very own flour. Next, we add a tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. Or you can use maple syrup if you have some. We're using honey. This is the science part. You need to add apple cider vinegar. If you don't have it, then use lemon juice. Because we need apple cider vinegar, so it will react with bicarbonate soda. It will make the pancakes fluffy. So, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Do it over the bowl so you don't, if you spill it, it'll just go in there. Next, you add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So 2 teaspoons of baking powder actually, not 1. Cider vinegar react.
No, it's not. Bicarbonate.
A 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. This is the one that makes the apple cider vinegar react. Next, you add the cup of almond or oat milk. Be careful not to spill. Now you whisk it up. You can see the reaction in all the bubbles. You can use a pan or this traditional pancakes skillet. And it's been in my family for years. So what you do is you wait for that to go over the lots of the pan. We're melting coconut oil. We're going to test to see if it's hot enough. So get a little bit on your wooden spoon and you drop it on. Well, it actually isn't hot enough because it didn't sizzle when it hit the pan. So let me turn it a bit hotter. So now you get a bigger one and tip it onto the pan, but make sure it's in the middle. You hear that? It's sizzling. That means it's hot enough. Add double that amount that I've just put on. You can hear it sizzling away. What you do is now, because you can see the bubbles, you flip them over. You hear that? It sizzles. You can always have a little peek to see if it's cooked underneath. I think that is. And you take it over and you put it on. Why don't you try this at home?